What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making the protein-loaded quesadilla, which is perfect if you're on a diet and still want to enjoy your food. So this quesadilla is great because it has 90 grams of protein and it is low in carbs, low in fats, and low in calories. So with this quesadilla, we're going to begin with a regular tortilla and some pepper jack cheese. So we're going to begin with a regular flour tortilla, and we're going to use 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese for the base. So next we're going to measure out 8 ounces of chicken. Now that we got the rest of the toppings on there, we're going to finish it off with another 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to finish it off by adding the top tortilla, and we're going to put it into the pan. Now that we got the pan heated up, we're going to lightly spray it with avocado spray, and then we're going to get the quesadilla in there. So because the quesadilla is loaded, I'm going to take the pan, I'm actually going to put it on upside down, and then take the plate away. After about 3 minutes of cooking, we're going to take the plate that we used earlier, and then we're going to flip the quesadilla. And let it slide right back on. And there you have it, guys. That's the protein-loaded quesadilla. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making a lot more health-related content and a lot more healthy recipes for you guys. Thanks!